Hey guys, let's take a look at square root functions. So we have to know that a controls the shape and hk is the vertex. So when I look at this, I see my a is 1, my h is 0, my k is 3. And hk, the vertex, is where the table actually starts. If I plugged in a 0, square root of 0 is 0, plus 3 is 3. The next x value I can take the square root of is 1. Square root of 1 is 1, plus 3 is 4. 2, no. 3, no. But 4, yes. I can take the square root of 4 is 2, plus 3 is 5. And so what I have to do is I have to carefully find x values that I could take the square root of and then plug that in. Once I go ahead and I start to plot these points, I'm going to see that a square root function is actually a curve that starts at the vertex and then just goes in one direction. Now, the domain. Domain is about your x values. This starts on an x value of 0, and everything to the right of it is greater. So x is greater than or equal to 0. Whereas my range is about my y's. I see this starts on the y-axis at 3. It's above it, so y is greater than or equal to 3. So now, if I look at this, I see my hk is 1, negative 4, and then I have to go through and plug in values. So x is 2 works because 2 minus 1 is 1, square root of 1 is 1, times 2 is 2, minus 4 is negative 2. What I have to do is I have to plug in more values. 5 is great. 5 minus 1 is 4, square root of 4 is 2, times 2 is 2, 4 minus 4 is 0, my bad. And then I'd have to go through. The next x value that would actually work is 10. 10 minus 1 is 9, square root of 9 is 3, times 2 is 6, minus 4 is 2. I go ahead and plot my points into one smooth curve, and my domain, I see this starts on the x-axis at 1 and is to the right, so greater than or equal to 1. My y, it starts at negative 4 and above, so greater than or equal to negative 4.